Gonzalez. I'm a chiropractor at Family Care Chiropractic at 10110 Dixie Highway in Louisville, Kentucky. We're in the building just north of Valley High School. Today we have Taha with us. Nice to have you here, Taha. Taha is a YouTube follower. He saw our videos online and wanted to come in. He's originally from Iraq, and he comes to us for chiropractic care for his neck pain and his back pain. I've already assessed him. We found out where to work on him. He has a loss of the curve in his neck. We're going to work on some of that, and we're ready to get started. Are you?
Yes, I'm.
Go ahead and lay face down, please, Taha. All right, take a big breath in, sir. All the way out. Here we go. And again, big breath. All the way out, please. Let it go. All the way. Good. Good. Right up here. Relax. Other way. Good. Lay on your back, please. On your back. Just relax. Here we go. Now you'll hear the pops a lot louder because it's right next to your ears. Relax. Good. Right down here. Good. And over here. Take my hand. Come on and sit up. Turn and face that way.
Yes.
How's that feel?
I mean, I feel so great,
Excellent.
I've never seen the greatest doctor like you. Really awesome. Thank you so much for
Thank you, Taha.
changed my life.
You're changing our lives. Thank you.
Thank
We're going
you
to
so
change
much.
lives one spine at a time.
So awesome,
Thank you. You're awesome.
Great, yes.
Thank you, Taha.
Thanks so much, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, I invite you to come in. We're at Family Care Chiropractic. I'm Dr. Jamie Gonzalez. This is Taha. And you can feel great like him. Our office is at 10110 Dixie Highway, Louisville, Kentucky. Our phone number is 502-937-7995. And like all of our videos, please like and share, tag your friends like Taha,
Yes.
and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.